Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim early last month had called to revise the Asian Monetary Fund, AMF. Dr. Zokhri Idris of the Policy and Economic Affairs Centre of Malaysia Peace urges the government to further push ASEAN nations to relook at the AMF framework to better suit the region.
It was set up during Tun Mahathir's time in 1997, but it was probably not receiving many support or much support from other states because it's actually mirroring the IMF. And obviously, those who are proponents of the IMF are actually asking more countries, giving more support to IMF instead of AMF, the ASEAN Monetary Fund. So the Prime Minister, Anwar Ibrahim, right now is thinking about strengthening the AMF framework, the Asian Monetary Framework, by including more active participations from Japan, South Korea, and China. So this is what has been the statement of the Prime Minister so far.
Zokhri added that strengthening the fund is crucial in order to further protect the developing nations, including Malaysia.
So all this while, we only have as the major financial bank a pool, which is the IMF, the International Monetary Fund. This is where Indonesia loaned from IMF, South Korea loaned from IMF during the Asian financial crisis. Now, obviously, the IMF has its own sets of regulations as well as some agreement, which is probably not in the best interest of ASEAN states, especially when we are dealing with developing countries, our capabilities of servicing these loans, as well as our capabilities to reconstruct the economy. So there is a need to actually develop a very own Asian monetary fund that suits with the conditions of developing countries in Asia.